S500, 1996. I think I got that right. And I recovered the refrigerant. There was 780 grams inside the system. And luckily for the customer, no evaporator leak that I could pick up. This is a dual air conditioning, not dual. This has rear air conditioning. It has a rear vents out there. This is one with rear air conditioning. So they give you the option. And there's a label for you guys who really want to know for this year, make, model vehicle. Let's zoom in there. There we go. And then you need to see this tag because you need to know this information. There you go. And I might as well give you the door tag at the same time because I know there's those of you who work on lots of old Mercedes and getting information, especially in some countries. I noticed the stickers are missing and the guys can't get information, so they just guess. So here you go. For this vehicle, that's how much refrigerant this one takes. There's the rear vents for the rear AC. And if we remember, let's look at as the fans cycle off and on. Remember from the previous video, we were going into a negative subcooling, and you cannot have negative subcooling. The fans are cycling right now. Take a look at it. Let's go through a few cycles and just watch it. And I'm gonna post data logging over about 4 or 5 minute period of time, so you'll see what's going on. My thing shut off at the end of the data logging. You're gonna see the subcooling and pressures got messed up at the last 30 seconds or minute. That's because this shut down for battery saving feature. But just watch this, listen to the fans come in and out. Look at the superheat, look at the subcooling, look how airflow affects the subcooling. Airflow is king. Just a little bit of airflow makes a huge difference on what the readings are. God, if the guys in commercial or residential refrigeration or air conditioning had to deal with pulsating fans, they'd go crazy because they would never be able to get a steady superheater subcooling to go by. All right, I think that's good enough. You could look at my data log charts that I'll also post up on the Facebook page. And oh, you YouTube guys, if you haven't already, I haven't announced it on my channel or made a special announcement on my channel, but you could go over to the Facebook page, which is Automotive HVAC Technicians. Go look for that Facebook page and sign up, and you can see different information that I post, or I link other instructors' videos that I cannot link on YouTube just because I don't know how to do that stuff. I don't bother with that. So I put everything, all the information for training and stuff like that and more education, go to the Facebook page. See you guys.